Righto, in this video we'll walk you through how to connect to, adjust the brightness of, and initiate start battery recovery mode on your RedVision Essentials display. The RedVision Essentials display is a simple and easy to read display that shows your charge level in clear steps. Each step represents approximately 10% power, so for example, if 6 bars are lit, your batteries are at 60% charge. Below the main display are 3 LEDs that show where your power is coming from: AC mains, vehicle or solar. When charge is coming from one of these sources, the LED turns green. If it's available but not in use, it appears white. To the right, we have the status light. This changes colour to show which mode the display is in. More on these modes later. Below the display are 2 buttons, the power button and the control button. The power button turns the display on and off, exit settings, and cancel start battery recovery. The control button is used to move through the different modes and make selections. To turn the display on, press the power button. Once it's on, the bars light up in green, amber or red to show your current state of charge. When your system is charging, the bar that is currently charging will flash and the matching input light will turn on. You can move through the display modes using the control button. Short press the control button to cycle through the modes. The bars on the display will also change colour depending on the mode selected. These modes are standby, indicated by no light; Bluetooth, indicated by a blue light; start battery recovery, indicated by a green light when connected to a compatible device; brightness adjustment, indicated by a purple light; and faults, which are indicated by a red light. The full list of faults can be found in the user manual. To pair your smartphone to the smart battery monitor, first download the RedVision User App from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Use the control button to enter the Bluetooth mode on the display. In the app, tap Menu, then tap Add. Select the device matching the product serial number on the connected smart battery monitor and accept the disclaimer. Pairing is complete when the status LED turns solid blue and the display shows the state of charge. To adjust the brightness of the display, press the control button to cycle the brightness setting. Once the LED is flashing purple, long press the control button to adjust the brightness. If your system is connected to a BCDC Alpha R or Manager Alpha, your RedVision Essential display can initiate start battery recovery. To activate this, press the control button to cycle to the recovery setting, indicated by the flashing green control LED. Once flashing, long press the control button to initiate the recovery process. The top 5 segments of the display will begin to count down as the vehicle start battery is charged. Once the recovery is complete, the top 5 LEDs will flash. To cancel the start battery recovery process, press the control or power button. That's our run through on how to use your RedVision Essentials display. For more information, check out the product manual or head to redarcelectronics.com.